Want to keep your Ford looking sharp and protected for years to come? Ford Genuine Protection Accessories are built to defend your ride from everyday wear and tear while keeping it looking factory fresh. First up, the Paint Protection Film Kit, a nearly invisible shield that helps prevent scratches, chips, and stains from road debris. Perfect for keeping your truck's paint job flawless. Next, the Lund Smoke Aeroskin Hood Protector, a sleek, low-profile barrier that deflects bugs and debris, reducing damage to your hood and windshield. Loading and unloading gear. The rear bumper protector has you covered. It helps prevent scuffs and scratches while giving your truck a clean, finished look. For a bold, classic look, check out these retro-style Fender Flares. They add extra coverage for oversized tires while giving your truck that old-school off-road vibe. Inside, the Covercraft front row seat covers in taupe keep your interior protected from spills, stains, and daily wear while adding a touch of comfort and style. From the inside out, Ford Genuine Protection Accessories help keep your ride looking its best. Visit your Williams Ford today and gear up for the road ahead.